how to complete Form 1099 MISC. Did you know that there are 20 different kinds of 1099 forms out there? They cover everything from interest paid to a bank, barter changes and sale of life insurance, to long-term care and death benefits and distributions from a health savings account. And perhaps the most common and often misunderstood of this huge batch of forms is the 1099 MISC. Basically, it's used to report miscellaneous income received by both individuals and businesses. But what exactly does this mean? If you've paid at least $10 in royalties or broker payments in lieu of dividends or tax-exempt interest, you need to file Form 1099 MISC. However, you also need to submit it for everyone you've paid a minimum of $600 for any of the following reasons: rent prizes and awards, medical and healthcare payments, crop insurance proceeds, cash payments for fish or other aquatic life, cash payments from a notional principal contract to an individual, partnership or estate payments to an attorney, fishing boat proceeds. Finally, it's used to report direct sales of at least $5,000 of consumer products to a buyer for resale anywhere other than a permanent retail establishment. Given the broad applicability of this form, it's essential that you fill it out correctly. And here's how to do just that. Start by creating a list of all individuals and businesses for whom you need to issue the form. Based on the uses we've just mentioned, you'll need the recipient's name, address, and taxpayer identification number, as well as details of the payment, like the amount. Now, the form itself. Copy A of the form is in red and is only for IRS use. You only need to complete the black parts of the form. Start by filling in the payer's information. These are your details. Next, record the recipient's details you've collected. And then comes the most important part. Report the specific type of income paid to the recipient in the appropriate box. Box 1, rent. Box 2, royalties. Box 3, other income. Box 4, federal income tax withheld. Box 5, fishing boat proceeds. Box 6, medical and healthcare payments. Box 7, non-employee compensation. Box 8, substitute payments in lieu of dividends or interest. Box 9, direct sales of $5,000 or more of consumer products to a buyer for resale. Box 10, crop insurance proceeds. Box 11, reserved. Box 12, Section 409A, deferrals. Box 13, excess golden parachute payments. Box 14, non-qualified deferred compensation. Box 15, 17, state tax withheld. Note that you do not have to sign a 1099 MISC. Once you've totaled all the amounts and double-checked all the information you've filled in, you can submit the form and distribute copies. Here's how. Copy A goes to the IRS. Copy 1 goes to the recipient's state tax department. Copy B is sent to the recipient. Copy 2 is sent to the recipient for their state tax return. Copy C is kept by you for your records. Remember that Form 1099 MISC must be filed with the IRS by February 28th or March 31st if you're filing electronically. For more help with this and other forms, reach out to the experts at Fusion CPA. We're just a call away and eager to assist you.